Hey there, I'm Scott. I'm the Teen Library Assistant here at the Carter County Public Library in Beaufort. And today I'd like to teach you teens how to make a fun and easy pie. It's a lemonade pie, actually. It's one of my favorites. So without further ado, let's begin. Alright, so you're going to want the following. 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 3/4 cup of lemonade concentrate, 8 ounces of whipped topping, and a 9-inch graham cracker crust. Alright, so you're going to want to start off by mixing together your cream cheese with the sweetened condensed milk. And you're just going to stir it up until it's nice and smooth. So the cream cheese is going to take a little while for it to break up and get smooth, so you're just going to want to have a lot of patience with it. Just keep at it until it's nice and smooth. Alright, next up, you're going to want to add in your condensed lemonade. And again, just stir it up until it's smooth. Then next, you're going to want to fold in your whipped topping. Make sure you get it all in there. Alright, so when you're folding in the whipped topping, you're just going to want to take it from the bottom, kind of fold it right on top itself. Alright, so once you're done mixing it all up, it should look a bit like that. And then you're just going to want to pour it in the graham cracker pie crust and let it sit in the fridge for a couple hours. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed following along and making this delicious pie. If you have any more cooking questions or if you're interested in making something else, feel free to come on by and check out one of our teen cookbooks. Thanks again. Have a good one.